Hello guys, so today I'm sharing with you what I usually give to my cocktails, finch and other birds as a green source of vitamins and minerals. As you see, we have broccoli, we have lettuce, we have parsley leaves, and as well we have grape tree leaves. So now I will gonna take these containers and put each of them in the bird cages and see what will happen. As you see guys, they love eating this green source of foods, vitamins and minerals. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. Yeah, until next time, see ya.